In 1925, a British colonel walked into the Amazon jungle and vanished forever. Percy Fawcett was obsessed. He believed a lost city called Z was hidden deep in Brazil's most dangerous wilderness. This wasn't just any explorer. Fawcett was a decorated military officer, experienced, prepared. He took his own son Jack and Jack's best friend into the green hell of the Amazon. His last letters were optimistic, confident. Then, silence. When Fawcett didn't return, over 100 rescue teams went looking for him. Many of those searchers never came back either. The jungle had swallowed them whole. Local tribes claimed they'd seen white men matching their descriptions, but their stories never matched. Some said the men were alive. Others said they were dead. No bodies were ever found. No equipment. No proof of what happened. 3 men walked into the Amazon in 1925. The jungle kept them. To this day, no one knows if Percy Fawcett found his lost city or if something in that green darkness found him first.